Hello everyone. Here we are on a Saturday afternoon, about 2 o'clock in the afternoon, the 4th of January, 2020. And here we are flying around the housing project on Clearview Road. I don't think it's been too much work done since we flew up here the other day, but I got the drone out today for something to do, made another flight around. Weather's overcast, cloudy, slight breeze blowing. Temperatures are in the upper 40s, I believe, today. Uh, Not a bad day, all in all. So the usual applies. There'll be a link down in the comment section to go back and check the previous video out from a flight around this location. So have a good day, everyone. We'll catch you later. Goodbye.